Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Notability on Windows. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, Notability is officially available only on iOS and macOS platforms. There is no official Windows version of the app. However, if you are looking to access your Notability notes on the Windows PC, what you can do is use an Android emulator. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in NOXPLAYER emulator. Then once the search result loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply download and install the NOXPLAYER emulator. Then once downloaded, open the player and then sign in with your Google account. Then once signed into your account, search for Notability in the built-in Play Store within the NOXPLAYER. Then install and launch Notability from within the emulator. Note that this method is unofficial and may not provide the fully functionality or optimal performance of the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.